नोट्स बना लियो
Yes.
स्टूडेंट्स? सर रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्टेड। जस्ट वो वाला जैसे आता है वो।
Good morning, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू।
Sir.
सो
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
good morning to all of you. Tell me how are
Good
you?
morning, sir.
Tell me how are you?
Fine, sir.
Still I'll give you the some
Sir, कौन
minutes. The other students will also included in this class.
सर कौन सा सब्जेक्ट पढ़ाएंगे?
Today we are going to start the geography first lesson. Again revision of this lesson.
Sir, video भी डाल सकते हैं.
Sorry. I think the one boy is
ना से हमने पढ़ा देगा.
ये लेसन पढ़ा दिया गया है।
Yes, sir. वीडियो से पढ़ाए थे, YouTube वीडियो से.
चलिए
इसका चैनल पर है.
बस आज ही हम पढ़ाएंगे, थोड़ा सा रिवाइज कर रहे थे। उसके बाद कल से बताइए, कल से हम ज्योग्राफी पढ़ेंगे कि दूसरा लेसन क्या पढ़ेंगे?
History का second chapter.
ज्योग्राफी पढ़ेंगे।
Sir, history.
सेकंड चैप्टर से शुरू.
ज्योग्राफी।
Sir, history का second chapter.
सर ज्योग्राफी
ज्योग्राफी पढ़ेंगे। ज्योग्राफी सर।
अच्छा, इसके बारे में बहस ना करें। लेसन द वन बॉय हु इज टॉकिंग इन भोजपुरी, प्लीज लिसन। Regarding with the 3 lessons, I will also provide some notes of civics and history also. I think you have also have the notes. So regarding
सर आपका फोटो नहीं आ रहा है।
मेरा फोटो साफ आ रहा है।
डाल दी ऐसे ही ना ढेर जला है।
ये ऐसा है, कोई एक बच्चा जो है कि भोजपुरी में बात कर रहा है। क्यों आप लोग बात करते हैं ऐसे? अभी सबको म्यूट करने वाला हूँ। नहीं ऐसा नहीं हो सकता। दिक्कत
सर क्या पढ़ाएंगे?
Sir, जो आपने
लास्ट लेसन से पूछ रहे हैं तो पूछ सकते हैं। द स्टोरी विलेज ऑफ पालमपुर, उसमें कुछ अगर पॉइंट नहीं मिला है तो पूछ सकते हैं। किसी का कुछ पूछना है?
No, sir.
Now move.
Sir.
India size and location. When we talk about this, India size and location. India size and location.
हम रॉक हो जाता है.
सर किस सब्जेक्ट का है?
ज्योग्राफी का है।
इंडिया साइज एंड
Now listen. Are you listening? No.
No, sir.
You are listening now? Now, when we talk about India size and location, we are revising this lesson, and in this revision, most of the things you know about, we are just going to revise it. First of all, when we talk about the India, it is oldest civilization in the world. दुनिया की सबसे पुरानी सिविलाइजेशन है। सिविलाइजेशन का मतलब सभ्यता। एक सुनते हैं श्लोक, मिस्र यूना मिट गए जहां से, पर कुछ बात है कि हंसती मिटती नहीं हमारी। सो in this way we are the oldest, because when you from the class 6 you read about the first Rig Veda is written in India, and after the excavation of the Harappan civilization which is found, and after the carbon dating 14 method it is found that this one is the oldest civilization. So in this sense we are the oldest civilization of the world. Clear? Then our knowledge of even medicine knowledge is too much vast, but after some time by saying someone that this one is bad, we are in our mind setup it is just fixed. No, we are lagging behind from the matter of medicine and we are thinking. So that's why we have opted what? Oleopathy method, the दवाइयों का method है, because right now it's a period of corona, right now it's a period of pandemic corona, and whole the world is still on the based on Ayurveda. The people is drinking, the whole world is kadha. The whole world is drinking kadha, and this is the oldest civilization method which is given by the Indians. So that's why at any point we are forwarded, because if you do the yoga on the 21st June we are celebrating. Clear? So we have to don't go in this matter, but this the first paragraph is written, so that's why I have to tell about this. In the field of agriculture, in the field of industry, in the field of technology, and whatever the economic development. So from where have we started and where we were. And not only this, we have given many things to the world. यही नहीं दिया, हर चीज का ज्ञान हमने. So that's why the whole world is thinking Guru, that thinking we are the teachers for the whole world. In any sense, in the sense of economy also. Okay? Because when you have read the first lesson, what is history and why history? If you read about the famine period of the China in 1951, the India is also affected, but not too much affected. So that's why, in the sense of economic, we are also developed from the other countries. You can think about the other countries have many acute shortages of food grains, but right now in this pandemic period, our government is still provided 6-month rations to everyone. So in the sense of this, we are also uplifted. Clear? इस sense में भी हम uplifted हैं, भले कोई भी कुछ भी कह ले. Then regarding the locational settings, locations. Is it clear? So when we talk about the locations, India is a vast country lying entirely in the northern hemisphere. जो आप देखते हैं, जब वर्ल्ड के सिनेरियो में देखते हैं, तो ये नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर में, जिसको हिंदी में हम कहते हैं उत्तरी गोलार्ध में पड़ता है. ठीक है, उत्तरी गोलार्ध में पड़ता है. Because if you see the figure 1.1 in the book, India in the world, then at this point, when this one is showing, so this point is divided the half world, and you will see the India map is totally lying in the upper part is in northern, and then that part is in southern. Then This part is western and this part is eastern. Is it clear? So in that sense, we are found in the northern hemisphere. The mainland extends between latitude 8.4 degree north, clear, to, and this one is latitude, and up to 37 degrees 6 north. And when we talk about on the terms of longitude, on the terms of longitude, 68 degree to 7 degree east to, and 97 degree to 25 east. Clear? If you see, you will see in the books easily. And right now we don't have globe, world map. Then, if you see in that sense, if you draw a globe, small globe, the half one is then one line just passes through it. 23 raised to 1 upon 2 degree north. And this one is 23 raised to 1 upon 2 degree south. This one. And this one 66 raised to 1 upon 2 degree north. And this one is 66 raised to 1 upon 2 degree south. In this manner, the formula to learn about which one is Tropic of Cancer and which one is Tropic of Capricorn. Simple. इसको देखिए, इसको देखेंगे, इसको देखिए पहले. Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer, ये जो मैंने आपको बताया 23 raised to 1 upon 2 degree north. So then this one is Tropic of Cancer. And this one is Tropic of what? This one is Capricorn. I will not write the full things. This one is Tropic of Cancer. This one is Tropic of Capricorn. Is it clear? And both are at the 23 raised to 1 upon 2 degree north and 23 raised to 1 upon 2 degree south. The easiest formula to learn that which one is Cancer and which one is Capricorn. Simple formula to learn. You will never forget. You know about we wear the cap at the head. So it should be at the top. But here in the sense of the globe, it is wrong. We wear the cap. We wear the cap in the opposite way. So you will know about, you have to learn about the degree. 23 raised to 1 upon 2 degree south. So this one is our Capricorn and the above it is Cancer. And the Tropic of Cancer also divided the India location half. Clear? कि वो इंडिया को लगभग पूरा नहीं, लगभग almost divided into 2 equal parts. Clear? Now, Then after, when you talk about, now we are moved, you can also note it some place. If you want to note, you can note it. Then another thing is 23, sorry, not 23, about the locational setting, that which place is at where place, where. To start with this, first of all, take the southeast. For knowing about the directions, you have to know that at which direction. First of all, this one is very good. This one is north, and this one is south. This one is east. This one is. Then we divide into sub directions. When we divide into sub directions, so first and the basic we have already talked about, even in from the last many years we talk about this northwest. The two neighboring border at neighboring country touches with this, Pakistan and Afghanistan is also clear. Yes, sir. Then this one is southwest. Then this one is northeast, and this one is southeast. And if you are hesitated with this, what is this? N stands for north, S stands for south, W stands for west, and the E stands for east. I think all of you know about this. So in this manner, we don't have to talk too much. Now, after knowing the directions, first of all, we know about what is southeast. So when we talk about the southeast, Andaman and Nicobar are at the southeast. Clear? So, by understanding, if you have drawn this kind of, so when we talk about the southeast, it is automatically south. And when we talk about the southeast, Andaman and Nicobar are where? At here. Because this one is southeast. So Andaman and Nicobar found in. If I show here, it doesn't mean that Andaman and Nicobar is at here. No, just due to the lackness of the place, I have shown this way. So basically the south is in the map way, this one is this way. Clear? And here it is, southeast. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Clear? Now, move to this southwest. So when we move to the southwest, Lakshadweep Islands. Lakshadweep. Is it clear? So when we talk about the Lakshadweep, this is found at this place. This place. Clear? So it is in southwest. I think most of you are understanding. If I am not on the screen, it doesn't mean you can't understand. You have to just listen my voice and now you can understand. Then after, now, we are talking about the some part of land because these are the islands. When we talk about this, Andaman and Nicobar, or when we even talk about the Lakshadweep, these all are islands. And right now, after this, we are talking on the water bodies. So when we talk about this, again, we are talking about the southward. Again, we are talking first of all, southeast. Because we have started with the southeast. Again, we talk about. And these are the islands. These are all right, the islands. And now, we talk about the water bodies. Water bodies. So when we talk about the water bodies, again, यहीं से start किया, यहीं से start करते हैं. Southeast से. Southeast. Remember always, the Indian, it is also the part of subcontinent. So in Hindi, the subcontinent is known as Upmahadweep. So when we talk about this side and this side, we'll also show this. When we talk about the southeast, in the southeast, first of all is Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea. Sorry, not south. I will also tell about the formula, how to learn this. This is not this. At the southeast, Bay of Bengal. Then southwest. So when we talk about the southwest, at the southwest, Arabian Sea. Arabian. Clear? Then at the last one, this side. And this one is not southeast and southwest. This is totally south. It is just only pure south. So this at just south. Because the north side is surrounded by the Himalayas. Clear? So this south is talk about, this is Indian Ocean. This one is Indian Ocean. Clear? This one is Indian Ocean. And to learn about the things, that at which side, that the which water body is this, I will tell about the formula to learn. At the peninsular structure, A, B, I. Very easy formula to learn this. Automatically, you write A in a that way, in alphabetical way, then B in that side, and not this should be C. This one is I. A means Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea in the southwest part. This is southwest. And when we talk about the B means Bay of Bengal. And the B is in southeast. And this is in southeast. This is southwest. This is southeast. And this is our south. Clear? So you'll never forget about this. If we have learned the formula of ABI. Clear? I think it should be clear to you, all of you, about the formula of A, B, and I, or A, B, and C, Bay of Bengal, and in South Indian Ocean. These are seas, and this is the bay, this is the sea, this is the bay, and this one is ocean. And it is the first ocean which should be given the name on the, this is on the country's name, it is given the name of the ocean. So then regarding, we have talked about this, we talk about the locational setting. These are the locations. Clear? I think it is very easy, and you have also read about this. So we can't go more and more in this manner. We have just, after one day we will move to the another class, and after location, another thing is whatever the size structure of India. Note down, you can note down the formula also. It is the best way I told about this. Now I am going to erase this. Then note down, those who want to note. नोट कर रहे हैं? चलिए नोट किए हैं तो पहले से कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. नमस्कार. Then now we talk about the size. In the size, when we talk about the size, first of all, land mass. How much India has the land mass of the total world? And it is 3.28 million square kilometer. Million square kilometer. Clear? And this is India inherited the whole world, 3.28 million square kilometer. And then after, and India's total in the context of world inherited just about the 2.4% of total geographical area. Total geographical area. Then India is 7th largest country. Seventh largest country in this world according to the size wise. It means the 6 countries have more land. The 6 countries have more land than India. Clear? And in the figure 1.2, 7 largest countries of the world. At the first place, Russia, who acquires 17.09 of total geographical area of world. Then on the second place, 9.98 Canada. Then on the third place, 9.83 USA. And at the 9.60 China. And the 8.51 Brazil. And the sixth one is Australia. Australia is also a country and a continent, both. 7.69. And at the seventh level, the India hold or acquires this position. Then clear? Now India land boundary. It's a land boundary. You can also write at some place. India land boundary. It is 200 kilometer. Then now total coastline. Total coastline, mainland, including Andaman, Nicobar, and Lakshadweep. And it consists of 7,516.6 km kilometer. So this topic is then we'll move. We are talking about the size in this manner. When we see the fold mountains, these are the young fold mountains. When we talk about the Himalayas, young fold mountain. And this young fold mountain, which is newly made, so that's why it is known as young fold mountain. Northwest, first of all, this is founded from the northwest. It is started from the northwest, then it is also in north and goes up to north east. It is gone in north east. Then south of or about is it clear? कुछ पूछ रहे हैं इसमें से क्योंकि बहुत कम टाइम बचा है. You have the watch. The students.
Sir, I want to ask one question, sir.
Yes.
So, what is difference between sea and ocean?
Sea and ocean.
Yes, sir.
Listen. It's a very easy question. When we talk about the sea and ocean, both are first of all, listen, both are water bodies. Both are water bodies. But when we talk about the sea, sea is a smaller body in the comparison of ocean. And ocean has a vast, means in the sea you will find less amount of water, in the ocean large amount of water. as well as sea is little bit less in depth. कि sea में डेप्थ जो होगी, गहराई कम होगी, और ओशन में क्या होगी, ज्यादा होगी, डीप होगी. Simple reason is this: sea is a small body of water in comparison than the ocean. In Hindi, sea is samundra. In Hindi also told sagar. And when we talk about ocean, ocean is samundra. And samundra is also known as Mahasagar. This one is sagar, and this one is Mahasagar. Clear?
Hello.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
सर आप लक्षद्वीप के बाद क्या
कैसे
लिखे हैं?
सेपरेट करते हैं ओशियन और सी को कैसे सेपरेट करते हैं सर?
एक मिनट. अभी एक बच्ची पूछी कि लक्षद्वीप के बाद लिखा है, क्या लिखा है, इसको ध्यान से देखिए. 7 पॉइंट कह सकते हैं 7,516.6 किलोमीटर. इट इज ऑल्सो रिटन इन द बुक.
उसके नीचे सर
इसके नीचे पूछ रही हैं, देखिए यही तक मैंने आज पढ़ा है. यंग फोल्ड माउंटेन, ये फोल्ड का मतलब
लास्ट लाइन.
एक मिनट ध्यान से सुन लीजिए. पहले एक बच्चा बंद करेगा, फिर दूसरे के सुनिए.
नॉर्थ ईस्ट
लिसन सब बता रहे हैं, पहले ध्यान से सुनिए. जब हम फोल्ड माउंटेन की बात करते हैं, फोल्ड मतलब हिंदी में वलयकार. वलयकार का मतलब कि अगर आप इसको आप समझना चाहते हैं तो 6th क्लास में बताया था कि 2 कॉपीज को रख लीजिए और उसके पेजेस को टर्न कीजिए, टर्न बाय टर्न, और उसको जब आप टीवी जैसा बनाते हैं ऐसे ऐसे करके पेज निकलता है ना, तो वो फॉर्मेशन है, वही फोल्ड माउंटेन है. और ये न्यूली मेड हुआ है, ये नहीं न्यूली कौन लगी कल हुआ है. इट आल्सो टेक millions years, but still it is in the next lesson we have read about in which way it was formed. So these are the newest made. So by the newest made, this is known as fold mountains, and it covers the northwest. northwest मतलब कि पाकिस्तान से लेकर पूरा नॉर्थ में जाता है बीच में, और नॉर्थ ईस्ट मेघालय तक. ठीक है, नॉर्थ ईस्ट मेघालय, शिलोंग, अरुणाचल तक जाता है. ठीक है, जो गारो और जयंतिया हिल्स है उधर की तरफ, और ये जो है नॉर्थ वेस्ट वाला जो पाकिस्तान का इलाका है. ठीक है
सर, हमारा 0.5 से क्वेश्चन है सर.
क्या चीज?
0.5 से क्वेश्चन है ये. 0.5 जो लिखे हैं ना सर, उसमें जो दिया है 7,516.6 किलोमीटर.
हाँ,
तो अंडमान निकोबार और लक्षद्वीप का इनका पूरा मिलाकर एरिया है.
मिलाकर एरिया है, क्योंकि जब मिलाकर एरिया जब बनता है तो वो इसमें ये लिखा है, देखिए कोस्ट लाइन बाउंड्री है. कोस्ट लाइन, कोस्ट माने कि समुद्र के किनारे वाली,
समुद्र,
और ये सबसे बड़ी लार्जेस्ट कोस्ट लाइन बाउंड्री है वर्ल्ड की.
ओके सर.
ठीक है,
ओके.
और पेनिनसुला वे में बनता ही बनता है, क्योंकि आपको शुरू में ये फॉर्मूला बता दिए हैं, ए
यस.
बी और आई.
A,
इसको कभी नहीं
I.
भूलना, जिंदगी भर याद रहेगा. बहुत आसान फॉर्मूला बताएं. ए बी आई. ए मींस अरेबियन सी, बी मींस बे ऑफ बंगाल, एंड आई
Bay of
मींस
Bengal.
इंडियन ओशन.
and Indian Ocean.
आपको आसान से आसान मेथड से हम बताते हैं कि जिंदगी भर याद रहे, वरना हार्ड मेथड भी बहुत सारे हैं. और कुछ आज इतना
सर
ही
आप
बताएंगे.
ज्योग्राफी के नोट्स, सर आप ज्योग्राफी के नोट्स प्रोवाइड करेंगे?
हाँ हाँ हाँ, आपको हम खिचड़ी बना के दे देंगे, सिर्फ खा लेना चम्मच लगा के.
सर स्मॉलेस्ट एरिया इन इंडिया. सर कर ये तो कैसे
Smallest?
करेंगे? एरिया इन इंडिया.
गोवा.
Listen.
गोवा.
Listen, first of all, हर question
गोवा.
smallest area क्या हो सकता है?
गोवा.
आपको सब्जेक्ट इसका गलत है. Listen. जो भी इसने पूछा है, पहली बात तो उसका क्वेश्चन सही नहीं है.